Spring flower fun. Look at all these. Now you blow it. Oops. Are we making a mess in someone's driveway? We're gonna try not to do that.
No, it goes.
Wow, it's gonna fly away. No more shower. Sure. Oopsie. Some flower petal fun.
Hey, give me that. I'm gonna pick some flowers.
Spring flowers. And shower. These are called pink shower flowers. This is the plant. It's so beautiful, isn't it? We're having some flower fun. Flower petal fun. They're so beautiful and gorgeous. What a blessing.
Okay, ready, set, go.
Ooh, flower blowing fun. I want to do some. Someone blow this? Wow, you did it. You have some more? Oopsie. Yay, you did it. This is so gorgeous. Look at that. It's time to go. Okay, we're going to throw them in the garbage. We're going to carry it to our yard and then we're going to throw it in